Hey guys, I'm definitely not at home right now, but it is very important that I make this video because it will be of much essence to you. My name is Scott, and I'm going to teach you how to fix the current network crisis in Ghana. So you are aware of the fact that recently there have been crises with network. Now you are able to access some limited applications on your phone, such as WhatsApp and then others. But where it matters most, that is on the internet. You cannot access internet. That there's a limit to what you can do with your internet. This has been attributed to the fact that some underwater cables have been distorted and blah blah blah. But hey, we are not here to look at the problems, but rather to give you solutions. So in order to be able to access the internet like you used to do, this is what you have to do. Now go to the Play Store, and then download an app called XVPN. Okay, go and download XVPN on Play Store. Once you have finished downloading it, just install it. Once you have installed it, just launch the app. Okay, once you have finished launching the app, you accept their terms and conditions. It will notify you that you have to pay for the premium package. So what you do is go to the top and then quit or exit that window, and then it's going to take you to the interface of the app. Once that is done, you see that the default is on auto. Click on the auto and select UDP. Click on the auto and select UDP. Okay, then once you have selected the UDP, then you try to connect it. Now, once you have connected it, you'll be able to use your internet to access anything without any limit. So this is what you can do to fix the current internet problems. My name is Scott, and if today happens to be your first time of watching me, make sure you do hit on the subscribe button in order not to miss any update from us. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Thank you.